Hello, fly babies. Hello, my lions. It's me, Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday. It is Family Fun Day. If you are a payroll fly baby, then your Saturday will probably look a little different than an at-home fly baby. At-home fly babies, I'm going to talk to you first. You've gotten all of your work done during the week. So on Saturday, you just have your routines, the 5 routines: morning routine, laundry, paper, after dinner, before bed. 5 routines. And you'll have you won't have the zone because you hit it already 4 times this week, and you won't have to do a basic weekly plan because, well, you are. It's Saturday Family Fun Day. So it's an easy day for you. I know you're excited. Let me talk to our payroll fly babies for just a minute. We'll come together in the end. Okay, payroll fly babies. Okay, so all week long, I've guided you in my daily videos to look during your lunch hour and your breaks to see what you can do, who you can delegate to. I encourage you to call ahead to tell your family you're on your way home so that those kids at home can do their little jobs you've asked them to do. And then all you'll have, so there's 3 things that a lot of people are left with on the weekends. Buying groceries, well, besides laundry, that's a routine, but I'm talking about the basic weekly plan. Buying groceries, weekly home blessing, and then the zone. The zone this week is the kitchen. So those are about 3 hours worth of work if you haven't done any during the week. However, I encourage you to do 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing every day. So if you have to do it all by yourself and you refuse to delegate, then, or you can't delegate, there's nobody to delegate to, then you've only got 10 minutes left to do on Saturday. If you'll do that every single week, your house will start looking better and better. You're doing all your routines, doing a load of laundry every day. You won't have a pile of laundry on the weekend. Maybe you'll have some, but you won't have as much as you would have had. And then the zone. If you were able to work in your zone instead of 15 minutes, let's just say you did 10 minutes in the zone every single day, or you could do 15 minutes 4 times a week, and that would be while your dinner is simmering. Maybe the weekly home blessing hour and that while dinner is simmering. Then you won't have anything to do on Saturday, especially if you have ordered your groceries and had them delivered, or ordered your groceries to have someone pick up for you. You may have to go pick them up, but it won't be the same as having to go through the grocery store. So I encourage you to do that so that this Saturday can be as good as it can be. Now, if circumstances just don't allow, and you have at least 3 hours of work to do on Saturday, or at most 3 hours of work to do on Saturday plus traveling time, then get up early and get that done so you can enjoy the rest of your weekend. Okay? And always remember that you're beautiful and you act beautiful, and you can do this in a beautiful way and have a beautiful home. It'll take a while. It will. But if you will be a person who checks for clutter, in other words, inspect what you expect with your children at least 3 times a day, it'll make a big difference. Okay, so let's all come together. Let's do our after dinner routine. It's very important. A lot of people refuse to do this for some reason. They don't want to ask their kids. They can't stand to hear them whine, whatever. Change your attitude. Be happy. Encourage them to help you. This is important. This is the very beginning. This is the cradle of learning, the home. So if you're big enough to walk and carry a plate, I'd say 4 years old, you could take your dish to the dishwasher or to the sink. That can help. Little kids love to wipe things up. Let them wipe little spots off the floor for you. Okay? Bigger kids can totally do it too, but here's the thing. If you stay right there in the middle, it'll only take a few minutes to get the whole kitchen clean, instead of martyr standing in the kitchen cleaning up by herself at the end of the day going, woe is me. Stop that. Encourage your family. Then afterwards, let's do our before bed routine. Little kids, get them done first. Now, it's Saturday, so I hope you've enjoyed your day. I would encourage you to keep the same routine for children. Teenagers maybe won't, but younger children, that they still go to bed at their bedtime, because that way you can have that weekend evening with your spouse. All right, that's it for today. Remember that you are beautiful. Oh, don't forget to lay out everything for tomorrow too, even on the weekend. All right, remember, you are beautiful, and I think you're special and important and worthy, and you can do this. Bye.